Welcome to the new part design tutorial in CATIA V5. In this video, we'll design this part. This is our exercise number 34. Scale is 2:1, sheet is A4 and all dimensions are mm. This is the top view. This is the sectional front view. This is the sectional left side view. First, I'm going to create the sectional rectangle with having dimensions are 25 mm and 15 mm. We'll move to CATIA. Define sketch. Select the top plane. Position sketch. Reverse this horizontal direction and select the swap command. Our vertical direction is towards the right side and horizontal is downward side. Okay. Select center point rectangle. Create rectangle from center point or origin point. Horizontal distance is 25 mm. Vertical distance is 15 mm. Exit workbench. Define part body. And this rectangle pad length is given in section AA. It is 6 mm. Select sketch 1. Select pad command. Pad length is 6 mm. Okay. Now I am going to create this slot feature. Length is 8 mm. Radius is 4 mm. And this depth is 6 minus 3 mm. It is 3 mm. Define sketch. Select top plane. Position sketch. Reverse this horizontal direction. Select the swap command. Okay. In the profile command bar, select elongated hole command. Create elongated hole. Now constrain this sketch. This vertical distance is 4 mm. And this horizontal distance is 8 mm. Select both endpoints. Right click, allow symmetry. Select vertical axis. Exit workbench. Define part body. Select sketch 2. Select pocket command. Select more command. The first limit depth is 6 mm. Select this reverse direction. And in second limit depth is 3 mm. It's minus 3. Preview and OK. Now I am going to create this whole feature. It is coincidence to the horizontal axis and 4 mm offset of vertical axis. Diameter is 4 mm. Depth is 1.5 mm. Define the part body. Select all command. Select the slot area or slot surface. Hole diameter is 4 mm. Depth is 1.5. Select position sketch. Move this point towards top side and constrain this point. Select horizontal axis and point. This distance is 4 mm. Select point and vertical axis. Right click, coincidence, exit workbench. Okay, the hole. Now I am going to design these 4 holes having 3 mm diameter and through. Define part body. Select hole command. Select top surface. Hole diameter is 3 mm. Change blind to up to last. Select position sketch. Constrain this point. Horizontal edge and point. Vertical edge and point. For these dimensions, edge dimensions are 3 mm in the horizontal, 3 mm in vertical. Vertical is 3 mm, horizontal 3 mm. Exit workbench. Okay. We created only one hole. So we need to pattern these 3 holes. The pattern dimensions in the vertical manner is 9 mm. In the horizontal it is 19 mm. Define part body. Select hole to feature. Select rectangular pattern. In the first direction, instances are 2. Spacing distance is 19 mm in horizontal direction. In the reference element, select this horizontal edge. Reverse direction. Preview. Move to second direction. Instances are 2. Spacing distance is 9 mm. Reference element is vertical edge. Reverse direction. Okay. Now I am going to create this counter bore hole feature. It is visible in section A. Counter bore hole diameter is 5 mm. Depth is 1.5. Through hole diameter is 3. Total depth is 3 mm. Define part body. Select hole command. Select this surface. Position sketch. Constrain this point. Point and horizontal edge or horizontal axis. Point and vertical axis. Right click, coincidence. And vertical distance is 3 mm. Exit workbench. Change up to last to blind. Diameter is 3 mm. Total depth is 3 mm. Change flat bottom to V bottom. Angle is 120 degree. Move to type. Change simple to counter bore. Counter bore diameter is 5 mm. Depth is 1.5. Review and OK. Now I am going to create another counter bore hole feature. Counter bore dia is 5 mm. Depth is 3. And through hole diameter is 3. It is given in radius wise 1.5 means dia is 3. Total depth is 6 mm. Vertical distance is 3.5 and coincidence to the vertical axis, define part body, select bottom surface, pull command, hole diameter is 3 mm, depth is 6, change V bottom to flat bottom, move to type, this counterbore diameter is 5 mm, counterbore depth is 3 mm, review and OK. Now we need to give this edge fillet radius of 1 mm, define part body, select edge fillet, select this vertical edges, radius is 1 mm. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries related to this topic, please be comment. We'll see in the next tutorial.